So guys, once again, this is pocketFi, and I'm still going to show us, just like Blum meme pad. Okay, there is also pocketFi big pump. So you see it here. This is also what pocketFi have built on where to buy meme coins and buy and sell meme coins. This is the pump.fun version of own pocketFi, right? So you just need to click on big pump. Okay, or first of all, you need to fund your pocketFi wallet. Okay, for you to do that, you just need to click on uh wallet, right? This wallet here. So when you click on wallet, as you can see, I have just 0.1 ton here. Okay, so you just copy your wallet address here, or click on deposit, then copy your ton wallet address and send in some ton into this place. Okay, when you have sent in ton into this place, you now click on pump. So pump will now bring you to the interface of the big pump where you can buy and sell. So the next thing to do is to connect that your pocketFi wallet right here. So when you click, by default my own is connected, but by default your own will show you right here to connect. Okay, so when you connect it, now this is the interface, and you have to understand that most of the coins that are trading in the Bloom meme pad is also trading in this pocketFi big pump as well, right? So, and as you are doing this thing as well, you are also participating in the Turn Open League as well, right? Which this Open League thing is going to end on the, I think, on the 19th of this month, December. So if you can start participating now, each trade, each thing you do here gives you some points. Creating your own token gives you 20 points. So if you can do that, you can position yourself, and make sure you have minted the SBT. Okay, make sure you have minted the SBT as well. So for you to buy any coin, it's still the same thing with Bloom meme pad. You also have to look at, these are different coins that have been created into this place. Okay, when you continue to scroll down, you'll be seeing different coins. Right now, you can also see, when you click on the goat icon, you see different things right there. You see, it's like these are the newly created coins, right? These are the newly created coins. So when you click on top market cap, these are the ones that have the highest market cap. When you click on new is okay. I'm seeing, okay, these are the new the newest. Okay, as you can see, the time it was created is still there. They just dropped this one 1 minute, this one 2 minutes, just like that. Okay, this one was created, it was done 4 minutes ago. This one 4 minutes ago, just like that. Okay, so when you click on listed means the ones that have actually bonded, that have been transferred to either um um storm.fi or DDoS, right? So you see them here as well. So this place they say my memes is the ones, either the ones you bought or the ones you created. Okay, so that is it. So any of them that you want to buy, you just click on it. Still the same thing with Bloom meme pad. So you see the buy and sell button is there, or when you click on trade, let me click on trade and see. Okay, yes, the buy button is here. You're seeing buy button because, in fact, everything is here. You see the buy button, you see the sell button. Okay, any of them that you want to do, you just do. Okay, so you see that the sell button right here is not highlighted. That's because I'm not holding this token, and as you can see, this is the chart. Okay, and this is the progress bar. Okay, it have actually bonded 29%. It have bonded 29%, and the current market cap is $11,500 market cap. So what if you buy this token now and it continues to bond until it bonds? You get, so that means it can move from this $11,000 market cap to, let's say, 100,000 or $200,000 market cap. As you can see, it's going up and down. So this is how to use the pocketFi big pump to make money as well. So target those tokens that you have convictions on, and you believe that might might bond even when they were created so new. This is, you see, this new part is where you make the most. If you can buy coins here and they do well, they moon car, you will make a whole lot of money. Okay, but then a lot of people are afraid actually. But then if you have a strong mind and you are convinced, you can make a whole lot of money from this place. So this is literally how to use the pocketFi big pump. So when you're done, you can just close it. You can close and come back to normal pocketFi and farm your token, right? So this is literally how to use big pump. Okay, so thank you guys.